Friday, everybody. Tashina Gonzalez here, and I'm just going to warn you right now, I'm probably going to talk for a long time. So if you come in and you pop out, I won't mind whatsoever. But I just want to share a little bit about my travels and a little bit about the amazing farm that I went to. And then I just want to remind everybody about the sale that we have going on, as well as chat with my friends that may not live in the US or some of the not for resale markets. So just first of all, you guys need to have oils and be on this healthy lifestyle when you travel. Like, I can't explain how important and how beneficial it is to have reminders to eat healthy and to drink all the water and to have some supporting things for all of your systems. Because I recall traveling in the past, for example, when I went to Mexico for a month. I went to Mexico for a month in college, and I was in tip-top shape. And I remember, hola Mildred, ¿cómo estás? I remember sleeping for 2 days because of the altitude. I remember being exhausted, and at that time I weighed a lot less. I had recently been in track, and I remember it being so difficult for me to travel internationally. I remember traveling in 2004 to Ecuador, and again, the altitude, I passed out twice on the way down. I also had issues with getting to some of my excursions. And so this time traveling, you guys know this is my first time traveling to Europe ever. It's my first time going the opposite direction for a time change. And then TMI, 100% TMI, but started my time of the month. And so I woke up and I felt horrible, just absolutely horrible, right? It was difficult traveling here because basically I was up for 36 hours because I couldn't really sleep. I left at 6 p.m. my time and I couldn't really sleep. So I woke up, I had some body pain, I had a headache. Then, of course, I went to the bathroom and realized one of the reasons why. And it was just so nice for me to be able to remember I need to drink lots of water, to get some tea, took my nitro, which has caffeine in it, which I know will help. And then to put on I actually did myself an Itobi scan last night. And so that tells me what types of supplements and things my body is going to need to get the love it needs. And so put on some soothing oils. Like, I had Ortho Ease massage oil, and so that actually has lots of mints in it, very soothing to massage yourself. Use some things like geranium and joy to help with my mood, as well as help balance my hormones. And so by the time I ate my high protein breakfast and had lots of fruit and had lots of water and fresh juice, I had blueberry juice with my Ninja Red, lots of antioxidants, flood myself with that. I felt great when it was time for me to go to my farm tour. So honestly, if you guys have not started a healthy lifestyle, you guys have got to get on this healthy lifestyle so that you can experience some of these amazing benefits. And so again, just a reminder for those of you that are in the States right now, through Midnight Mountain, we have the Premium Starter Kit on sale. It's the best way to get started. The most important thing is not just the oils, but also the fact that you have a community of education. A lot of us last week went to the Young Living Convention, where we had so much amazing association and education. That is one of the key things to purchasing your Premium Starter Kit, getting that actual education that, again, reminds me, get your high protein breakfast, drink all your water. Here's the supplements and the support that you can use in order to feel better. Because again, I honestly don't know if I would have enjoyed this trip to Croatia had I not had that. So moving on to the next topic that I'm going to talk about, which is this amazing farm visit. So I am scheduled, totally excited and wonderful, can't even hardly believe it. I'm scheduled to go to the International Convention of Jehovah's Witnesses in the Netherlands. And I thought, if I'm going to Europe, I should hit up another country because it doesn't cost any more to do that. And I originally was going to visit a friend in another country, but she's actually visiting in the States and it wasn't going to coordinate with the time. So I decided, what should I do? I should go visit a farm and see some of the process and see another thing that we have with the company I'm associated with. And so I thought, everybody wants to go to France, Italy, Spain. I should go to a country that I would never go to. So I emailed them, said, hey, can I visit the farm in Croatia or Bulgaria? And they said Croatia would be the better one to go to. And so here I am in Croatia. And so I went to the farm. So at that farm, they produce helichrysum. So it's very interesting. Here in Croatia, I actually Googled it and looked up a bunch of stuff. It's a very pure, untouched land. And so you can actually drink the ocean water. It's so clean here. And so that's one of the reasons why they chose this location. And so helichrysum is a body supporting oil, another good one to massage on for various things. And it thrives here because it actually needs, it doesn't need to be watered. It can actually just survive on the rain that falls here. And one of the important parts is that it can actually, the rocks that are naturally here produces, when the rain comes, it gives it some calcium carbonate, and that feeds them. So it's super nice. It's completely sustainable. The individual that was taking us around the farm, he was just so honored for us to be here, felt so blessed for us to come see his land. And then we were able to see the seed to seal process. And so if you have decided to use essential oils in your health regimen, you want to make sure, hola Valdemia, to make sure that you're aware of the process. And so the reason why I choose Young Living essential oils is because we were able to see that full process, their seed to sale process. So they start with better than organic seeds, and there's never been any pesticides on the farm here, ever. There's just never been any pesticides on the land here. Because again, you could just Google Croatia. It's just the land is expansive and virgin, and the water is so clean. You can, happy Friday, you can drink the ocean water, you can drink the river water. It's just that clean. And so they confirmed that at the farm, and then from there we know they don't have to do much cultivation for it because they don't even have to water it. The rain does it. And there's only one predator, which are butterflies to helichrysum. They also have sage, so some of the purest sage essential oil, as well as juniper and bay leaf, floral bay leaf is what they produce there. And beyond that, so there's not much cultivation that has to happen, so it's 100% pure in that way. And the only predator that they have is butterflies, and because it's windy, they're usually able to make sure that there's no butterflies there. So then from the farm, we went over to the distillery, and again, that's part of that seed to sale process. So we have better than organic farmland and better than organic seeds, and then we cultivated in the best way possible, sustainable way possible. And then we went over to the distillery, and we're able to see the whole distillation process, everything that happens from steam distilling these particular plants to create the raw essential oil, and then move on to have the full potent essential oils, the final product. And then we were able to see where they bottled them, and then we were able to see there they had the warehouse where they shipped them after they sent them through the testing in the lab. So it was just super, super cool. Once you see that in that process, it's like your standards for supplements and things that you put in your body just are completely raised, because no one has standards like that. And again, the fact that it made my body be able to reset and to feel so amazing and so awesome is the reason why I have to have these in my life. And then in addition to that, I have to have this particular brand because the standards are just none other whatsoever. So then the last thing I want to share with you guys today is while I'm here, I am passing out my information to everyone and sharing with everyone my information, some magnets that I got, as well as a sample of essential oils. So this is one of the magnets that I'm sharing with people. So these are the gifts that I'm giving out even while I'm here, because it's an opportunity for me to share with people while I'm here in Europe, and then my contact information. And so what I also want to do is to have this as a record and reference for individuals while I'm sharing this. And if you get a sample of lavender from me, the best way for you to then get started is to get your international premium starter kit. And so I decided to look up what comes in the international premium starter kit. So the first thing everybody knows and love is lavender. So you get a 5 milliliter bottle of lavender when you get your international premium starter kit. That international premium starter kit is $160 US. And I'm going to go over all the things that come in that. And some of these are what comes in the US kit too. So I remind you at the beginning, if you don't have your US kit yet as well, that's on sale and you want to get that immediately. So lavender also comes in the US kit. And lavender is just super relaxing for both the mind and the skin. You can use it topically as well as aromatically. Most people already know and love lavender. The next thing that you get is peppermint vitality. So peppermint vitality is something that you can put in your water on a regular basis. It gives you a little bit of pep. It'll wake you up in the morning. And it's relaxing and comforting to your stomach as well. So using peppermint or one of the other digestive support ones that we have, I use that all the time when I'm traveling. Just knocked down my setup, so let me get back to making sure that it stays up. Okay. Actually might have to put something behind it because it's a little bit wobbly. Okay. Hopefully this will stay. If not, I may have to okay. So after that, we have lemon vitality. So lemon is something you can just flavor your water, get the same benefits of like warm lemon water in the morning. It just helps with cleansing your system as well as can give you a little bit of energy. All citrus equals happy. Thieves vitality is something that I have to take while I'm traveling because it supports your immune system and keeps your immune system healthy and happy while traveling. So those are all in the US kit. One that's in the international kit that is not is Aroma Ease. And Aroma Ease, actually, I love this for relaxation when I'm traveling because it actually does help my mind concentrate when there's differences in altitude, and it's actually one that came up on my scan, so it was really good that I had it. And then RC has different eucalyptus in it. You can rub it on your chest. It's very soothing to do that. This is another one that I just absolutely love to have when traveling, and it comes in your international kit. If you are in the US, you'll get Raven, which is very similar instead of RC, but I do love my RC when I am traveling, no doubt. Another one that comes in both the US and the international kit is Panaway. Panaway also came up on my scan, so this can be used for a massage, very relaxing, very soothing. If you've been exercising, walking a lot when you're traveling, super, super good. And then Digest. Digest is one that I have to have at every meal when I'm traveling. Supreme Digestive Support has all of the herbs that help your digestive system. Tarragon, ginger, peppermint, juniper, fennel, lemongrass, anise, patchouli. Super, super great for your digestive system. I have this as well as digestive enzymes with every meal when I'm traveling. And then in the international kit, you get Thieves Mints. And there are a couple other things that you get in the international kit. You get Purification, which is super great to diffuse and cleanses the air. You get Cedarwood, which is very good for relaxation. You could put that in your diffuser with lavender. And you get Deep Relief. Deep Relief is something that I absolutely love as well. I actually like Deep Relief, I think, sometimes better than I like Panaway, but it's another one that you can massage on, give your body some great relief. And then you will get 2 sachets of our Ninja Red. So that is, I forgot to grab a sachet. Yeah, I forgot to grab one, but so that is based on the Ninja Wolfberry, which is just the Chinese version of the goji berry. High antioxidant drink, citrus oils in it, gives you energy in the morning. Definitely took my dose in the morning. I took a dose at lunchtime as well to keep up my energy levels. And you always get a diffuser, which makes this an amazing deal. When you get a premium starter kit, whether it's the international kit or the US kit, it is always at least 50% off. When it's on sale, like right now, the US kit is actually 60% off. So you get a diffuser with that, as well as your product guide, an essential oil magazine with lots of information. Thanks, Michelle. And the most important part that I spoke about in the morning or earlier in this video is that you get part of an education system. That is the best, most amazing part, is that you get access to Facebook groups, you get access to online classes, you get access to online training in your actual membership, you get access to just different email, just all types of resources for you to get educated, so that little by little, month by month, you can lead a healthier lifestyle. So that is what I want to share with you guys. If you have any questions on making sure you get started with the sale in the US, or if you have any questions for getting your kit internationally, please do not hesitate to contact the person that shared this video with you, or contact myself if I am that person. If you haven't done so yet, please follow me on YouTube for lots more great content. Keep following me on my trip, because I'm gonna be posting tons of more amazing things. I'll post some videos later, some additional photos of all the amazing things that I did. Right now it is, what time is it here for me? It is 7:40 for me here, so I will be up for the next 4 hours or so, going on excursions and posting more lives and amazing things tomorrow as well. So thank you guys, as usual, for joining me. Let me know where you're checking in from, where you're watching the replay, and have an amazing day. Thanks, guys. Bye.